I'm still waiting for my turn to buy my ticket. I'm so excited and I'm so hungry. I wanna eat my food inside the movie house. You know what, guys and girls? I'm just gonna give you some feedbacks about this. I know what you did last summer. Based on what I have read on an article on a platform that 50% of people doesn't like this movie and then 50% of it really like the movie, and even Ate Tabitha like the movie. But I know that this is not a trash movie. They make the best out of it because this is a reboot. They don't want to get the fans to be disappointed, especially me, because I've been waiting for this. You know what? 1997 when this was shown on movie theaters, and then after for so many years they had a sequel of I Still Know What You Did Last Summer, and then they had another after so many years. They had I Always Know What You Did I Always Know What You Did Last Summer, but without Jennifer Love Hewitt and Freddie Prinze. Hold on. I Know What You Did.
What you did? 8:30 po for
Yeah.
how many?
One just all by myself.
May discount rin. Wait
Wala.
na.
But can I have a discount, please? Sige na naman, please. Sige na naman.
Eye level po is J. Movie screen called Light Blue. Sorry, Light Blue available. J is our
Yes, eye level. I want this one.
8 po.
Oo. Please.
390 po.
Please naman. Sige na.
Kung may card po dito.
Wala. Grabe naman yan. So, no discount for tonight, guys and girls. And so, let's continue our discussion. And then, there's also a TV series for this one, but I haven't watched on it.
Cinema 18, sir. Left side, first
Okay,
theater.
yes.
Enjoy po.
Thank you. So, this is it. And, hi.
Hi.
Oy, wow. Promoted. And, oh my gosh, I forgot. I'm so excited. What's this? Oh gosh, I'm lost. And then during that time, there's no cell phone which is touchscreen or the the upgraded cell phone. There's only a keypad thing. And then no cell phone at all. We only use pager. And then when you call to the operator, and then the operator has a personalized greetings to the caller, wherein they will say, I know what you did last summer. This is Sally. So they did that effect. So it's some kind of scary, and on the other way, it's some kind of a funny thing. So here it is. Karma is a killer. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna give you my initial review for this. Okay, hold on.